Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them a go on like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, I want to big up all of the subscribers and all of the viewers them. You understand? Yo, without Uno, Jamaica first, country first, we don't reach nowhere without the subscribers and the loyal fans them. So yo, me a big Uno up, everybody, from Nanny to editor boss, you understand, to everybody out there. Big up on yourself. Now, we know the issue with President and Plumpy Boss and the Six and West Bank. And me just want do another video and kinda give my input on what I think PRIZI and how I think PRIZI is gonna react, plus a lot of other inputs. Now, one thing I do know about this situation, PRIZI is taking this very, 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 very rough. PRIZI is taking this very serious. You understand? When I look back on the whole situation, it's just so unfortunate to blow up. Because it's a stigma. I don't know if and I'm going to use that terminology, enough people now be like what I have to say now. We as black people, we are stigmatized. And the reason why I'm saying this, why couldn't PRIZI and Six Dan kept an alliance? You understand? It's gone all over the place. So much man dead. Trinidad have the most reggae artists or musician dead. You understand? Them turn the music in a murder music. We can't blame this, that, way. But it is a real fucked up situation. Now, when you look back, you see PRIZI, like me say, he felt this and he was this by Swanee and others. And I don't know for a fact, but I do know of PRIZI. I know, certain things about him. And PRIZI is not a man who's gonna do any kind of careless thing. So a lot of times when things happen out there, it's not PRIZI who's the one who say go do this or do that. It's just the loyal people them that associate with whatever him have going on. You see what I'm saying? Plumpy Boss is not a violent guy, and he was really hurt when Swanee go America and make certain links and come back at Trinidad and diss the man them. And them decide to resolve it in a certain way. That was an opening for West Bank to come in and do what them a do. Now, How can society solve this issue that's going on right throughout the whole Caribbean? But right now we are talking about Trinidad situation, but the same thing goes for everywhere else. The only way I think we can stop certain scourge, these countries have to get some balls, yo, and do what they need to do. For example, if you look at system like America, England, Russia, certain place, Canada.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Caribbean country them have to have broader law in terms of federal thing, where it gives them the right to do certain thing and move in. You understand? So even if I am a 6 in fucking St. Lucia and I am powerful or whatever and influencing other 6 in my country, that's a fucking violation of our law and we're coming for you. So I don't think the Caribbean and these places is ready for that kind of rules. You know, as far as rich people is concerned in pertaining to the crime, the murder, the this and all the atrocities, they don't have to deal with certain things when in the Caribbean when it comes to them don't have for them wall of protection. So it leaves a majority of the population have to deal with this. You see what I'm saying? And that turns into something else. I was talking to a friend of mine and the man said, listen, he's not going back to the Caribbean to live. And when he said that, I was so disheartened. But the man's explanation made me understand. The Caribbean has become dangerous, even more dangerous. People can't achieve nothing. And the bottom feeder gangster them, with a couple dollars, might think say them a billionaire. And then what them do now, them push the crime narrative, you understand, along with the dirty politician them. We don't give a fuck, you know, me I talk the truth. Now, my intel tell me, say again, that PRIZI is very, very upset about this. What played out with Plumpy boss, you understand, and Meds boss. My intel also tell me say PRIZI is gathering his own intel, and I think this I gonna make PRIZI the Don for the 7 expand more. And this incident here with Meds boss, it go mobilize PRIZI and the 7 them. And yo, it is going to be very, very bloody. With that said, I have to talk about some ways how we could have solved this problem. Do you think it's possible to get the 6 them boss in us Trinidad and the 7 boss in our Trinidad and have somebody who is respected amongst the community strike a deal? Somebody like Vibes Cartel. Wanna think about that idea there. But Vibes Cartel be a peace ambassador, yo, for the gang them. You think that would ever happen? Maybe not, but we don't know. Because him say right now him a deal with him family and thing. And you know, him busy and make money. But we need somebody to come in and make a statement. As for the police them, you know, the whole of them gang country are Jamaica #1. The police them, me not gonna say the police them are pussy. Because we need police to protect we. What I'm gonna say about the police them need to step up to the time. My intel tell me that Bobo, he might talk to the police them, and sooner or later you're gonna see some police action on the case here. Not only that, my intel also tell me that the politician will run down there, because I played this video. Him and Keith Rowley, them come from the same place. Keith Rowley come from Tobago. And quietly, Keith Rowley pissed off about this. And me hear say him give him cabinet minister who is responsible for crime and them things that are directed to do some things. So, remember me tell you, Tobago, I go turn upside it down in the near future. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I am out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.